is Saidin Luwawan, 19. I was born on November 27, 2006. So, the nature and purpose of the self. My nature is the inner essence of who I am, the unique combination of my thoughts, emotions, values, and intents, and the quiet voice inside me that continues to grow and evolve. It includes the parts of me I show to the world and the parts I keep hidden. My nature is shaped by my experiences, my desire, my strengths, my wounds, and the choice I make every day. It is the deep, authentic, or me that exists beneath rules, expectations, and levels. My purpose is the direction I move toward, not a single destination, a combination of meaning, contribution, and self expression. It is the way I turn my nature into something that matters. Together, my nature and my purpose make me a living, unfolding being, someone who is learning, changing, and becoming. I am shaped by my past, grounded in my present, and free to grow into my future. I am Saiden Luawan is someone who carries quiet strength, someone who thinks deeply before acting. He has an inner world that not everyone sees, but those I truly know him understand his loyalty, institution, and resilience. I motivate by meaning, not noise. Siding or me is a values authenticity, connection, and discovering who am I. I'm a person still discovering my direction, and I want to understand my strengths, weaknesses, and purpose. The fact I always asking means I value my self-awareness and growth. My identity is shaped by my friends and the culture I grew up in. Young friends ko, including my girlfriend, malaki talaga yung naging influence nila sa way kung paano ako mag-isip at kumilos. For example, kapag may problema ako sa school or sa buhay, sila yung una kong kinakausap. Natutunan ko sa kanila kung paano maging confident at mas maging open sa ideas dahil most of the time, ini-engage nila ako to try new things and wag matakot magkamali. Sila rin minsan yung nagbibigay advice at support. Kaya mas nagiging strong at positive yung personality ko. Also, because of them, I learned to be patient at understanding others kahit na iba yung ugali nila or pakikotungo nila sa akin. Culture naman ay may malaking part rin sa identity ko or pagkatao ko. Yung values tulad ng respect, importance of family, at pagiging hardworking ay tinuro sa akin mula pagkabata. Halimbawa na lang nito ay kung paano dapat i-prioritize ang family tulad ng pagtulong sa bahay o pagdalo sa mga family events. Because of this, mas alam ko kung ano yung tama para sa akin at paano ako may kitungo sa ibang tao sa daily life. Ito rin ang nagturo sa akin ng patient, discipline, at pagiging responsible, sa decision ko na sobrang useful sa school at sa personal life. So yun, both my friends and my culture shape who I am. Sila yung nakaka-influence sa behavior, decision, attitudes, at goals ko sa everyday life. Because of them, mas naging confident, aware at ready ako sa challenges ng buhay. I also learn how to be a good friend, partner, at tao sa community ko. I'm a student who learns and grows. I'm a citizen who respects, helps, and contributes to society.